Good day folks, today's video is going to be quick and simple, and basically we're going to be comparing the low light performance of the Hero 8 Black against the Hero 9 Black. With the release of the Hero 9 Black, GoPro introduced a lot of new features and a lot of new improvements. However, low light capabilities is not one of them. Now I'll let you be the judge for yourself. I'll show you some clips here in a minute and you can make your own decision. So let's just jump right in and take a closer look. So GoPro this year introduced a lot of really handy new features and a lot of enhancements. Unfortunately, in my opinion, the low light capabilities of the Hero 9 Black are not as good as the Hero 8 Black. But I don't want you to take my word for it, so I will be showing you some samples here, and then I would love to hear your feedback down below. Cameras such as GoPros never really perform well in low light situations just because they have a very small sensor. Something like the Insta361R with its 1-inch sensor does get better performance. Now in these sample clips that I'm going to show you, I was filming in 4K 30, I was shooting in a wide field of view, and I left all the settings on auto. I decided to leave everything on auto just so I can do a fair comparison, just how the camera is right out of the box. Now of course you can go into Pro Tune and adjust the settings, and usually you can fine tune it a bit and get a little bit better of a picture. So with all that said, let's just take a look at some examples here and then I'll come back with some thoughts.
I just want to grab your boot just poked. Like literally touched my eyeball. Oh my god.
Now after watching those samples, personally myself, I found the Hero 8 Black outperformed the Hero 9 Black. The images were brighter, which allowed more detail to come through. I think the noise on both cameras was about the same. I wouldn't really say noise level was any better on one than the other. Now there was one clip there where I thought the Hero 9 Black did a better job than the Hero 8 Black, and that's this one here. I just find the colors look a little bit nicer. I think the image just is composed a little bit better. Even though you can see more detail in the Hero 8 Black clip, I just think the Hero 9 Black one just looks a little bit better. Sometimes these things just boil down to personal preference and what you like. Now this video is basically about capturing video in low light situations. Now when it comes to taking night photos using the GoPro night photo mode, that's a completely different story. I've actually been quite pleased with the results. Also the night time lapses have been quite nice as well, but I'll go into that a little more in depth in an upcoming video. Well folks, that's basically it for this video. I would love to know your thoughts if you know a little bit more on why you think the Hero 9 Black performs worse than the Hero 8 Black when it comes to low light video. Also I'd like to know what you thought of the clips. Did you think the Hero 8 Black was better than the Hero 9 Black or vice versa? I want to thank you for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you got some value out of it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.